Yes guys, welcome to Chef Hampshire, where today we're going to be cooking a chickpea tuna. So this is a vegan tuna alternative that packs loads of protein and has all of that beautiful flavour that you want. Enjoy! So we're going to start with 1 can of chickpeas. So they've been drained, washed and then drained again, and I've just placed them into a bowl. We're now going to mash them up. So we're just going to go with a fork, mash them until they become almost like a paste, and just keep doing it until you get to the right consistency that you want. So now that we've mashed our chickpeas into a paste consistency, just so you've reduced all of those balls so that none of them are there, you now want to take a small red onion and dice it as finely as you can, and then add that into the mix. So now that we've diced up our red onion, I just got it into the bowl with the chickpeas and gave it a little mix up just to get the onion around all of it. You then also want to go in with a tablespoon of fresh dill and a tablespoon of garlic powder. Gonna get that in there. Give that a mix up as well. At this point, you also want to go in with a tablespoon of white wine vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and then mix that all in as well. So at this point you also want to go in with a tablespoon of vegan mayo. So this is my homemade vegan mayo. You can go with a shop bought. I know the Hellmann's vegan mayo is very good. And then you also want to go in with a teaspoon of your Dijon mustard. I know you can use whole grain mustard. I know a lot of recipes do use whole grain rather than Dijon. I just prefer the Dijon. And then you want to mix that all up so that all of it gets covered by that mayonnaise. At this point you can also season it, so give it a taste once it's all mixed in, and then you can season it with your salt and pepper, or if you wanted to go with a bit more garlic or a bit more onion, a bit more dill, feel free. But for me, this recipe is perfect just as it is. Obviously seasoning it with salt and pepper, but nothing else. I'm just going in with a pinch of sea salt, a few grinds of black pepper, mix it all in yet again. Lastly, you want to go in with some seaweed. So I got nori here, just some nori sheets that I'm then just going to chop up, or you can even just crumble them straight in. Make sure it's all flaked, so then you can get it the whole way through the tuna. Just went with 1 sheet, just to give it that fishy flavour. And then there you have your vegan tuna mayo. So yes guys, there you have the vegan tuna mayo, finished and perfect to enjoy for an easy lunch. Just took me about 15 minutes to make the tuna mayo, and now it's ready to enjoy. This portion will make about 2 large sandwiches. So it's a beautiful dish, packed full of protein with that fishy flavour, and one of the best tuna replacements that you can get for your vegan lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Also, if you haven't signed up to my newsletter, go down to the link below. You can sign up to my newsletter to get 2 vegan recipes every week, as well as 1 cocktail, which you can also find over on my Instagram at chef_Hampshire. So follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my newsletter, subscribe to my YouTube, like, share, and peace.